Jamaica is our home, and we want to explore it and share those moments with you.
That includes the food, the places, in general, our culture.
This is YaadMentz. Hey everybody, welcome
guys.
to another episode of YaadMentz.
Yeah.
Thank you for tuning in again. Big up on yourself for all the love. We really appreciate the love and support that you guys have been giving us.
Definitely.
We thank you for following us on Instagram. We thank you for commenting, for subscribing, for liking, for sharing.
Definitely.
You guys are the bomb.com. Big up on yourself.
For real.
So if you haven't checked out our last video, which was on Tuesdays? Please, go and check it out. Go and watch it right now, quick and fast.
If it
will either be in the description below or it will be somewhere up there in the cards. So check that out.
Definitely.
So what we're gonna be doing today is what?
So today is all about French fries.
Yes.
Fries, more fries. We love fries. Can't get enough fries, right? So we put out a picture to state different type of fries that we like. And we asked you to comment and tell us which one do you think is the best fries out of all the 7 that we listed. Right, so after the comment from Facebook and Instagram, because we put it out on both social media, the top comments were like Island Grill, Popeyes, KFC, BK. Unfortunately, we didn't put Popeyes on the list, but persons were commenting on it, so we're like, yo, we'll have to get Popeyes.
Yeah,
definitely. So we added Popeyes to the top 4 that we selected and what you commented on. So out of the 7 that we put out, we selected 4 of that. So we selected
the top 4.
Right, the top 4. Right. So I am going to blindfold Devi today. So she's going to test her knowledge on if she remembers what tastes like what, if she knows the fries. So we're going to see if she got it. She got it.
Guys, don't pray for me. Like, I'm not ready for this. Don't laugh after me. I'm just gonna try my best to do this. Okay? So if you want to see that, stay tuned for more. We'll see you in a few.
So right now I am going to blindfold Devi. So she goes to one. Yeah? Ready for this? So guys, welcome back. So again, I have blindfolded Devi, and
This is so weird, guys.
And I put out the fries, so she don't know which one is which. So you ready for this?
No.
You want some ketchup or you just want to taste the fries? Right.
Wait, like I want to taste them like by themselves first. Alright. Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to start with this one.
I can't see.
Ready?
Wait.
This is one.
You're cooking out. Okay.
What do you think?
It's kind of thick. The fry itself, a sliced thick.
So which one you think it is?
Can I finish? Can I swallow?
Sure. You want the next one?
No, I don't want any more of this one. This one is KFC.
You sure?
Yes, I'm positive that this is KFC. I eat a lot of KFC chicken.
Alright.
So I know.
So I'm going to choose this one next.
Okay, whatever that one is. You don't even tell me if I'm
ready? Go. Yeah, she got it. Oh, she make up her face like,
I don't know. I don't really like this one. I think this one is... Give me a next one.
Give you a next one?
Yeah.
Alright, cool.
I think this one is Popeyes.
Okay.
Oh, God. Did I get it wrong?
Alright, so let's try this one. Ready?
Well, alright.
Let's try this one.
Are you eating that? Burger King, this one is thin. Burger King fries are usually sliced thinner. Yeah. I think this is Burger King. I
Alright.
don't taste like bread food.
Alright.
Anyway.
So the last and final. Let's go. Ready? Here we go.
Island Grill. But if you like me get everything right. Alright. Wait, I'm gonna finish 2. Can I get another one of that one? Yeah. Whew. Back to life, back to reality, because I can't see. Alright.
So,
ahead.
First we tried this one. And this is definitely KFC. So she got that one right. Right. Then we went on to this one.
Okay.
You got that one right as well. This one is Popeyes.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we went to this one. Right? This was, you said DK. This is definitely DK.
Yeah.
And last and
Which
final.
means that
This
I got
is
all of them
Grill.
right.
So she got them all. She knows her fries.
Guys,
She knows her fries.
I've been around, so I know them fries.
She knows her fries. I mean, so what you think about the fries?
You need to try it. Was he eating them while I was
I
blindfolded?
tried one.
So you need to try the rest of them so that we can talk about them.
I mean, I've eaten Island Grill a lot, but let me...
Which one? What is wrong with you?
Yeah.
I have another one because...
Yeah. I eat KFC a lot, so
Yeah.
we know the KFC fries are always big and thick.
Yeah, they're usually thicker. That's why right away I was like, It tastes like KFC.
If you eat too much KFC fries, it's dry, so you have to have something to like wash it down with.
Best believe.
Trust me. And then Popeyes, I don't think I've had Popeyes in a really, really long time, so...
Same with me. Years normally I have Popeyes. Years.
It have an unusual taste.
I don't think I like it. Sorry guys.
A lot of persons comment, I don't know. I don't think I like the taste that much, but...
It's seasoned.
It's
So I
seasoned.
think these two, the Island Grill and the Popeyes, are like seasoned fries. But for some reason, I prefer
The Island Grill fries.
the Island Grill fries.
Yeah. Out of all of them though, the Island Grill is most expensive. This one was for $190, while the Burger King was like $130.
We never talk about Burger King.
KFC is the same, like it's $200. And then the Popeyes was $130 as well. So out of all of them, Island Grill is the most expensive one.
But we never talk about the BK.
We never talk about the BK.
What you think about BK fries? Thin.
I don't go to Burger King on a regular.
Neither do I.
I do not go to Burger King, but sometimes when I do eat the fries, it is really slim.
Yeah.
They haven't changed over
That's
there.
a
It's the
giveaway.
same thing from way back in the 90s or wherever them start. Fries.
The man is back in the 90s.
Plain fries, nothing
Yeah.
to it. Just just some fries. They just add dip some ketchup and blah.
Yeah, we should have some ketchup though. But anyway,
I do have ketchup.
when we
finish
come
all of
off this, we gonna be grubbing on all these fries.
Eat up the
so
fries.
Don't worry.
Definitely.
So
yeah.
Which one was your favorite? Which one is your favorite out of all of them?
Even though it's expensive, it's Island Grill. Even though I don't buy it a lot, it is Island Grill. It have a nice taste to it. So big up to Island Grill for coming up with this concept of the fries.
And which one is your second favorite?
KFC, because them big and chunky. So if you want a belly full, buy some KFC fries and drink some water or some juice, like real.
Third?
I will definitely say, even though it's unusual, I will go with Popeyes because it's a taste that it can work with. If you have a little sauce, ketchup, definitely can work with that. And least and final is
least and final Burger King.
Yeah, Burger King. Sorry for the brands that didn't make it, like Tasty, Mother's, Juicy, because those fast food joints sell fries as well, and I do try them. So yeah.
For me, first is Island Grill. Second would be BK. Third would be KFC. And fourth would be Popeyes. I don't know. It's just something about the Popeyes fries. Just a particular taste in it.
I think you need to get
I'm
kind of
just
used to
not
it.
like
And you need to eat it for a while to kind of get that.
Well, maybe that's it.
Your
But
palate kind of get that, Louisiana taste.
okay, Mr. Louisiana.
For real.
Anyway, so this is what we had to say. This was our French fry showdown.
Yep.
And we thank you so much for tuning in.
Right.
And we wanted to remember to follow us on Instagram
as
at
well.
YaadMentz.
At YaadMentz.
And we also want to remind you to subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe.
Tell your friend to subscribe, tell your brother, your sister, your family,
your
share it with
auntie, your
them.
boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband,
Simple.
your cousin,
Click on the button.
your second auntie, mother, sister, son. Tell the whole of them to subscribe.
And check out the rest of our showdowns. We will put the link in the cards at the top, so look up for the cards on the video. So it was, which one was the first one? Banana chips?
Banana chip showdown.
Then
we also have cran water showdown. And now we have our French fry showdown.
Yeah.
So check out all of them. Please remember to keep commenting the suggestions of what you think we should do next below.
Yes,
we
are
the ones
suggestions.
that we have been getting so far. So remember to put those down. We have a long list of them. We'll get through them eventually. So keep leaving them down below. And thank you so much again for tuning in. We love you, no big up, you no self, you no large.
Yeah, definitely.
See you next time.
Yeah,
Bye.
Bye.
Can you save some for me though? Why are you eating off all of them?
Try.
Yeah, man.